Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena, and if you're wondering who gave me this rose, no one gave me this rose. I got myself for a face scrub. So I know Valentine's Day has just passed, and then you must have had a lot of roses at home. So don't throw it; you can use it. So I'm gonna make a salt and rose face scrub. It's gonna exfoliate your skin. It's gonna make your skin really nice. So for this, the first thing that you need is first a rose. So guys, for this you will need some salt, and this is rock salt. And I have just put the rose petal in the blender, and this is what I've got. And you will also need some oil. I have this face oil which is from Juicy Chemistry, and this is the Argan Rose oil. And then you will need some aloe vera gel. This is from Wow Skin Science. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take a clean bowl, and I'm going to add salt to this, about 1 tablespoon. And to this I'm going to add the rose petals that we've crushed. So about this much I'm going to add it to this. Now I'm going to add this argan and rose oil. You can use any other oil. You can use like almond oil, or if you don't have almond oil, you can also use coconut oil. So I'm going to add this because it also has rose in it. So I'm going to add a few drops of this oil. And then I'm going to add the aloe vera gel. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to mix it really well. So guys, rose, I'm adding rose because it's really good for your skin. It has, anti-aging properties in it. It has a lot of benefits. It removes your acne, and I have a lot of acne problems here. Plus I want to scrub my face and I want to get all the dirt out. So this is really good. Salt will help exfoliate, and aloe vera, as you know, it will calm your skin. And we've also put rose oil, which is again amazing for your skin. So I mixed it all together really well. This is what it looks like. I'm just going to scrub my face with this. So wherever you have acne, you can just place the rose petals like this. I have a lot of acne here. So once you've scrubbed your face, just let it stay for about 5 minutes, and then you rinse it off. So I'm going to wait for 5 minutes now. So guys, I've applied this. Now I'm going to wash my face. So I've washed my face now, and my skin feels really good. This is really good for summer. During summer, you should definitely try this. And if you have any other face packs or any scrub that you want me to try, or if you have more tips, let me know. And I'm also on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Gowda Official. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye.